Okay, assalamu alaikum to the new video. In this video we will learn about the Hadith, which is discussing the truthfulness. So qala Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam alaykum bis sidqi. The translation of this Hadith is always be truthful. This saying in Islam is a gentle reminder to always speak the truth. Being truthful means being honest and sincere to everything we say and do. When we are truthful, we build trust with others and earn respect. It's important to remember that telling the truth is not just about speaking words, but it's also about being true to ourselves and our beliefs. In Islam, honesty is highly valued because it leads to good deeds and strengthens our character. So by following this advice, we not only follow the teachings of Islam, but also become a better person who contribute positively to the world around us. See you in the next video.